Welcome to Sam's Kitchen. Today we'll be making vada pav. First, start with the vada, 3 boiled potatoes and add ginger, 1 chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, kasuri methi, 1 pinch, two to 3 pinch sugar. Add some lemon juice and smash and mix it properly. Now divide the mixture into small balls or vada. Take a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of besan. Salt, turmeric powder, keep adding water while mixing it. Do check the consistency of your batter. Dip the ball or vada in the batter and make sure it is being covered from all the sides. Now we'll be frying it, so take a karai and add oil in it. We'll be deep frying the vada. If you like, you can also fry green chili in it. Make sure you flip the vada from time to time. Your vada pav is now ready to eat. You can eat it with a pav, the green chili fried, and chutney. Do let us know if you like this video. Share, comment and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you.